Have you ever thought, why does the education system keep making the same mistakes? Because this is no longer one incident. Different years, different exams, different headlines, but somehow the same problems. Think about NEET. Millions of students prepare for years and their future depends on one exam, one day, one rank. And when paper leak allegations happen, grace mark controversies happen, or repeated questions about fairness come up, students don't just lose marks, they slowly lose trust in the system itself. Even courts and investigations have repeatedly questioned whether lessons are truly being learned or not. And then look at CBSE. Students reported portal crashes, payment failures, missing pages in answer sheets, confusion during re-evaluation, and even cases where answer sheets were uploaded incorrectly. Imagine preparing for months, giving your best, and then having to wonder whether your paper itself was handled correctly. And here's the strange part: whenever something fails, students are expected to stay calm, students are expected to adjust, students are expected to try again. But why are systems never expected to change before failure happens? Because if loopholes were already known and weaknesses had already appeared before, then maybe the problem is not students failing exams, it is the system failing students. Because education today often feels less like learning and more like survival. Coaching races, comparison, pressure, one exam deciding years of effort. And this is why homeschooling, skill based learning, project based education are becoming more than just options. They are becoming a growing movement. Not because parents suddenly hate schools, but because they are now questioning whether every child should learn at the same speed, in the same classroom, through the same method, be judged through the same exams, and most importantly, now they are doubting the current education system. So, the real thought is, do you wish to prepare your children for life by redefining the current education system, or you want them to just survive in it? Give it a thought.